Think back to high school. Were you in theater, choir, band? If not, did your friend participate in any of those things? And if so, I guarantee you that was probably one of the best parts about high school for y'all. It also probably helped you in more ways than you think it did. Fine art education is very, very important to school. It helps with your grades, attendance, behavioral problems, and also mental health. So fine art education helps raise people's grades and helps with grades because it helps with their GPA and it helps with their SAT scores. According to Americans for the Arts, students who participate in fine art education received 150 points more than students who did not participate in fine arts. Another point to make is that according to the Public School Review, schools who had a good fine art education department had a higher attendance rate, and higher attendance rates equals a higher budget for the school, which goes right back to the school to help students get a better education by getting them newer things and tools and help pay teachers better to educate your students. Another thing is that when you are in fine art education, you have to have a passing grade in order to participate for things such as in UIL. You have to have a passing grade for UIL band, for theater, for choir. They all have UIL, and that is a motivator for students to do better. Another point to make is that it helps with mental health. According to Public School Review, outbursts and suspensions were lower when there was a strong fine arts department. It helps create a sense of unity. It helps create a want to be there instead of anger. It's a good outlet for anger as well, which is what causes all these outbursts. In order to participate, you have to be there. You can't be suspended by getting into a fight. Another thing that helps with is just overall the quality of mental health. 2 hours every day of fine arts improves mental health according to the Art of Education. And I think that speaks qualities in itself. Just 2 hours every day improves your mental health. It gives you a creative outlet. It helps release all those feelings that you were feeling. Next time you're angry or you're upset or you just had a really bad day, do an activity you love doing, like painting or knitting if you knit, or singing a song in your car on your way home from work. It helps. In summary, fine art education improves students' lives greatly by helping them in school with their GPA, attendance, possible behavioral issues, and also with their mental health. Fine art education is a very vital part in our society, and it needs to stay around. And it hurts my heart to know that there are people out there that think that just because someone can't pass a football makes them any less worthy of a creative outlet.